Salma is a young woman. She lives alone in a small apartment. Her home is quiet. She has an old phone. It is not new, but it works. One night, the room is dark. Salma is tired. Suddenly, her old phone makes a sound. It rings. A message comes. Salma looks at her phone. Who is it? She feels surprised. The message is from her father. Her father is far away. He works in another country. She does not see him often. Her heart feels a little happy. She opens the message. It has only 3 words. The message says, "I miss you." When Selma reads these words, she feels a mix of joy and pain. Joy because her father thinks of her. Pain because he is so far away. She wants to see him. She quickly writes back. She types, "I miss you too, Dad. When are you coming home?" She sends the message and waits. No answer comes. 1 minute passes. Then 5 minutes. Then an hour. Salma looks at her phone again and again. Nothing. She feels a little worried, but she thinks maybe he is busy. She decides to wait until the morning. The next day, the sun is up. Salma wakes up and the first thing she does is check her phone. Still no answer. She decides to call him. She dials his number. The phone rings once. Then it says the phone is off. This is strange. Her father always keeps his phone on. Now, Salma feels afraid. Her heart starts to beat very fast. What is wrong? Why is his phone off? A bad feeling grows inside her. Shet sits down on her bed, holding the phone tightly. She tries to call again and again, but the result is the same. The phone is off. She doesn't know what to do. Later that day, her phone rings. It's not her father. It is her uncle, her father's brother. Salma's hand is shaking as she answers the call. "Hello," she says. Her uncle speaks very slowly. His voice is low and he sounds very, very sad. He does not need to say much. From the sound of his voice, Salma understands. Her father is gone. He has passed away. The world stops. For Salma, a loud cry comes from her. It is a sound of deep pain. She drops the phone and falls to her knees. She cries and cries. The tears do not stop. After some time, she picks up her own phone. She holds it to her chest. She opens the last message from her father again. "I miss you." Tears fall onto the screen of her phone. This small message is now the most important thing she has. It is his last goodbye. Days pass, but for Salma, time feels stuck. Her world is grey and empty. She cannot eat. She cannot sleep. Every night, she closes her eyes and she thinks of her father. She remembers his laugh. She remembers his warm hugs. She misses his voice telling her stories. The sadness is a heavy weight on her heart. One morning, while looking at the rain outside her window, a small smile appears on her face. It is a sad smile, but it is a smile. She remembers not just the pain of losing him, but the love he gave her. She remembers all the happy moments they shared. The message on her phone stirs. She reads it every day. It does not make her sad anymore. Now, it gives her strength. It reminds her that his love is still with her. Love does not end just because a person is gone. It stays in the heart. Salma understands this now. If she slowly starts to stand up again, she goes back to work. She starts to live her life again. It is not easy, but she does it. She does it for her father. She remembers him in everything she does. She continues her life. carrying his love with her. The message was small, just 3 words. But for Salma, it was everything. It was a final gift, a reminder that love is forever. Love stays, even after we say goodbye. Salma knows her father is always with her, in her heart and in that last, precious message. Thanks for watching. If this story touched you, please like and subscribe for more.